Long ago, on Easter Island, lived Honu, an ancient sea turtle who watched the giant Moai statues. One morning, Honu noticed something strange. The statues were turning to face the sea. A young flightless bird named Piko saw the worry in Hanu's eyes. "I have seen many things, Piko," Honu said, "but the statues turning to the sea is a sign of sorrow." Piko, determined to help, asked, "What can we do to help the spirits and the statues, Honu?" Honu explained, "We need 3 gifts: a tear of the earth, a breath of the sky, and a smile of the sea." Resolute, Piko, with unwavering resolve, declared, "I will find these gifts and bring them back." First, Piko waddled towards Teravaca, the tallest volcano, searching among the black rocks. Finally, he found it: a sparkling tear of the earth, a shiny obsidian rock. Next, Piko climbed Poik, the second volcano, where the air was thin and cold. A condor soared above and dropped a soft feather, the breath of the sky. Finally, Piko hurried to Rano Cow near the shores where colorful shells hid among the waves. He found a rainbow-colored shell, the smile of the sea. With all 3 gifts, Piko returned to Honu. Together, they placed the gifts at the base of the largest Moai statue. A warm light spread across the island. Slowly, the statues began to turn back, facing inland once more. Relieved, "The spirits are happy," Honu smiled. "Thank you, brave Piko." From then on, Piko and Honu watched over Easter Island, reminding everyone that even the smallest creatures can bring hope. And so, the Moai statue stood tall and proud, guarding the island, just as they had for centuries. Easter Island, one of the most remote inhabited places on Earth, remained a place of mystery and magic. The island was full of stories waiting to be told. One day, a group of children visited the island and asked Honu and Piko about the Moai. Honu began to tell them the tale of the turning statues, and Piko chimed in with his own brave adventures. The children listened, wide-eyed, as Honu described the tear of the earth, shiny and black. Piko showed them the soft feather, the breath of the sky, and told of the mighty condor. He held up the rainbow shell, the smile of the sea, sparkling with every color imaginable. The children thanked Honu and Piko, promising to remember the story of the turning statues. As the sun set, Honu and Piko watched over the island, knowing the Moai were safe. And so the story lived on, carried by the wind and waves of Easter Island. For even the smallest creature can change the world, one kind act at a time. Remember to be brave, be kind, and listen to the stories of the past. For every story has a lesson, and every heart has a song. The end.